Today we are going to talk about trade-off between risk and return in a portfolio. Risk-return trade-off describe the relationship between the risk an investor takes and the level of returns he realizes. Principally, higher the risk, higher the potential return. We have learned from our previous lesson that portfolio investment describe the ownership of a stock, bond, or other financial asset with the expectation that it will earn a return or grow in value over time or both. Portfolio risk explain the probability or likelihood of losses relative to the expected return on any particular investment. On the other hand, portfolio return is the estimated profit or loss an investor expects to achieve from a portfolio of investment. Then, what is the risk and return trade-off? If the investor could get the higher returns without the extra risk on the asset, what would happen? Then everybody would rush to buy this asset. Then the price would go up and lower the return and make the asset less attractive. Why? Because why would investor want to hold high risk asset if return are not related to risk at all? And so anybody would want to sell the high risk asset so their price would fall and future expected return would rise until this asset become attractive again. Therefore, in equilibrium, investors expect to see a risk-return trade-off in securities. To make a balance between risk and return, investor takes a number of actions. One of them is portfolio diversification. Portfolio diversification is a strategy that aims to mitigate risk and maximize returns by allocating investment funds across different investment instruments.